Cloud Connect Tool Manager offers an intuitive interface, making it easy to handle multiple sets of machining data for tools. In the Machining Data tab, you can add, delete, set as default, and manage multiple sets of machining data for your tools. You can easily input machining data, including part material, cutting data, helical engage data, and feed rate percentages. These predefined tool machining datasets can be used in operations. This option is new and only shows when you select a tool with machining data already defined in the Cloud Connect Tool Manager. You can select machining data from the drop-down list, and the cutting parameters you've set in the Cloud Connect Tool Manager will automatically be used in the operation. The Set Machining Data option retrieves cutting parameters based on criteria you've set in the Cloud Connect Tool Manager, such as part material and cut method. If no matching data is found, it will automatically use the default cutting parameters that have been set in the Cloud Connect Tool Manager.